What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install one of those 50 cal bullet antennas. It's really simple. All you're going to need is an adjustable or a crescent wrench, and basically all you do is you take that and you put it down at the base of your antenna. Obviously just be real careful with the paint and whatnot. You can maybe put like a t-shirt or something to protect the paint, but it really is super simple, guys. You're just going to take your wrench, you're going to unscrew your antenna, and then at the base of the antenna you'll see like a threaded portion. So it really is that simple because you're just unscrewing something and screwing something back in. So you're taking out your old antenna right here. As I said, there's that threaded portion down there at the bottom, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your new 50 cal bullet antenna, and it just screws right back in. I'll leave the link for the one that I got in the description. I got it off Amazon. It was only like $14 or something like that. So see, there's that threaded portion I was talking about. That goes right back in the hole. I just went ahead and blew it out just in case. Really is that simple, guys. You're just unscrewing your old antenna and you're screwing your new one back in. This one looks great. It's pretty much the same color black as the rest of my truck, so it really goes with the whole color scheme and everything. And it's just that simple, guys. Link will be in the description below, and thank you guys so much for watching.